feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's
What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the network has published full detailed phone specifications and the release date of the futuristic folding smartphone Galaxy Fold 4 as well as Galaxy Flip 4 latest features are mentioned. Please watch the full video content. Folding smartphone Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 acquires details up to 1 TB of memory and water protection. Network sources have revealed a new portion of information about the smartphone book Galaxy Z Fold 4, which is announced at the August presentation by the South Korean giant Samsung. Compared to the current Galaxy Z Fold 3, which is already published last year, the novelty will receive an improved design. In particular, we are talking about an improved articulation of the body halves. In addition, the weight and thickness of the device will be reduced. The smartphone is credited with having Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor with 8 cores operating at up to 3.2 GHz. It is reported that buyers will be able to choose between 4 flash drive capacity options: 128GB, 256GB and 512GB, as well as 1 TB of internal flash storage. The device will allegedly receive a triple camera with a 50-megapixel main unit, a 12-megapixel module with wide-angle optics, and a 10-megapixel unit with 3x optical zoom. There is a 10-megapixel camera on the front side and a 16-megapixel camera on the inside. The novelty will receive protection against moisture and dust according to the IPX8 standard. We are talking about the presence of Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0 adapters, an NFC controller, and stereo speakers. Power will be provided by a 4400 mAh battery. In addition, support for the S Pen is mentioned. The smartphone will ship with the Android 12 operating system, supplemented by a One UI 4.1.1 interface. Burgundy red, grey green, and phantom black color options will go on sale. As for the Galaxy Z Flip 4, model number SMF721U, that will support 5G modem connectivity and wireless charging. Rumor has it the Galaxy Z Flip 4 will have a 3700 mAh battery, bigger by 400 mAh than its predecessor, and support 25 watts charging, and supports 25 watts fast battery charging, up from the slowish 15 watts of the old phone. Processor-wise, the Flip 4 will pack a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC with 8GB of RAM. Display-wise, it will have a 6.78 inches 1080p Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. On the outer side, there could be a 2.1 inches AMOLED screen. The new Galaxy Z Flip 4 will likely launch on August 10, alongside with the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Watch 5. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.
even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst I say and turn them to a game. Take the best I say and put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explode.